Tudor Pelagos FXD series MT5602 watt. Main features are case material titanium. Case diameter is 42 m. Case thickness is 12.75 m. Distance lugs to lugs is 52 m. Satin brushed finish, fixed bracelet bars, steel case back. Lugs 22 m lug width. Case thickness is 12.8 m. Winding crown titanium crown, adorned with the TUDOR shield in relief. Power reserve of approximately 70 hours. Movement caliber MT5602 self-winding mechanical movement with bidirectional rotor system. Bezel is unidirectional rotating bezel in titanium with ceramic disc, 60-minute graduation. Bracelet material is 22 m fabric strap with self-gripping fastening system, forest green with red central thread. Dial color is black, matte. Crystal type is sapphire crystal. Water resistance 200 meters. Black rubber strap with woven motif and titanium pin buckle. Watch reference number is M25717N1.